I was a freshman in high school here in Montgomery, Alabama. I was at track practice one day and my phone completely fell out of my pocket and just flew across the ground, shattered like crazy. And of course, at that time, I was calling around trying to find somebody that could affordably fix it. And no one in town wanted to do it economically or could do it quickly. So I figured, let me just see if I can do this myself. Found the part online, really figured out on my own how to fix it. Next thing I know, every classmate in my entire school was asking me to fix their phone, and before I knew it, I was doing 10 plus a day and couldn't keep up with demand.
When I was around junior year of 17, I started doing phone flipping, where I would go to different cities or around town and purchase devices, and that's where we kind of met. And him repairing and me flipping, it kind of connected. And after that, we sat down and talked and said, hey, we should really do this together.
So in 2018, we had a office location that we rented out. That was our first spot. It was a little bit less than 500 square feet. We quickly outgrew that spot and ended up getting a retail spot here in the East Chase area of Montgomery. We just couldn't keep on one location, and so we expanded in 2021 to this larger location in Montgomery. So now we have 2 stores. I've been a chamber ambassador, and my spouse, Soraya, she is currently an active chamber ambassador. Anytime there's an availability for us to give back, whether that's through community service or just serving at some kind of event to show our community that we do care and we're trying to make a difference, you can typically find somebody there that's from our company.